Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for DCTV USA, and here are the major headlines. A prototype of SpaceX Starship rocket exploded minutes after successfully launching and landing vertically as intended in a high altitude experimental test from Texas on Wednesday. It was a third such attempt to end in flames. The Starship SN-10 was a test model heavy lift rocket developed by billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk's private space company to carry humans and 100 tons of cargo on. US President Joe Biden said that the United States will make its judgment on a rocket attack in Iraq after identifying who was responsible. 10 rockets landed at Iraq's Al Asad Air Base, which hosts US coalition and Iraqi forces. We are following that through right now, Biden told reporters at an unrelated event in the Oval Office. We are identifying who is responsible and will make the judgments from that point, he further said. The Pentagon says it could not attribute responsibility yet and did not have a complete picture of the extent of the damage from the attack. After the assessment, they will also make. Were killed in a collision between an SUV and a tractor truck in Southern California, about 10 miles north of the Mexican border. The crash site on State Route 115 near El Centro, California, involved a sports utility vehicle carrying 27 people and a truck hauling gravel. Some 14 people died at the scene while another person died at the El Centro Regional Medical Center, the director of the hospital's emergency room, Judy Cruz, said in the briefing posted on Facebook. Five fighter jets flying at low altitude were seen in Myanmar cities on Thursday, a day after the bloodiest crackdown by security forces against the protesters. The United Nations said 38 people had been killed in the most violent day of unrest since last month's military coup. Police and soldiers opened fire live rounds on Wednesday with little warning. Thank you for watching.